Withdrawing money from Skype to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into Skype. Log into your Skype account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account that holds the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Payments or Money section where you can manage your funds. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. In the Payments section, find the option for withdrawing funds. Click on it to begin the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter bank account details. You will need to provide your bank account information. Ensure that all details are accurate, including your account number and routing number to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the information you have entered. Once you are sure everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal request and submit it. You should receive a confirmation of your request. After completing these steps, your withdrawal will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to appear, which may take a few business days.